Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. I'm Morella, and this week we're making a dessert that puts summer strawberries in center stage. And I'm talking about a BOOZY Venezuelan strawberry parfait. Let's go to the recipe. So the first thing we need to do is the cream, and for this we need mascarpone cheese and full-fat Greek yogurt. I'm not adding sugar to the cream because I want to create a sweet and tangy contrast between the cream and the strawberries, but if you like it sweeter, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Once the cream is done, put it in the fridge whilst we prepare the strawberries. And I'm using perfectly ripe summer strawberries that are super sweet and delicious. Dice them in small pieces and put them in a bowl. And 250 grams will make 7 mono portions. Add the sugar, Venezuelan dark rum, and basil leaves and mix well. I'm using Venezuela dark rum because of the smoky, strong flavor. Leave to macerate for at least a couple of hours in the fridge. When the strawberries have macerated, remove the soaked basil leaves and chop them finely to create a paste. This will infuse the strawberries a lot more with that basil flavor to give a touch of freshness than having the leaves in pieces. Now we can start to build our mono portions, and I'm using a piping bag, but you don't need to do this if you don't have one. You can perfectly add the cream using a teaspoon. I'm taking the dessert to a picnic, so I'm putting them on these biodegradable mono portion cups, but you can serve them in wine glasses or wine cups or make one single large parfait. For the base, I'm adding crispy oats, and you'll find the recipe in the description below. So we build the dessert by making layers of crispy oats, cream, and strawberries. Once all the portions are done, decorate with the small basil leaves to make them look beautiful, fresh, and summery, and serve. Keep in the fridge if you're not serving them straight away. And these are my BOOZY Venezuelan strawberry parfait that put summer sweet strawberries in center stage. These can last in the fridge for a day or two, but they are best eaten freshly made. So as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about the recipe, leave your comments below. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest as Mi Terruño Food. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Buen provecho!